Welcome to the Statistic in DD YouTube channel. I read and heard great things about ChatGPT. It's called Scary Good. I saw an instance where it fixed an error in programming code with a feat that seemed out of reach for artificial intelligence so far. And a well-known developer of R packages said that it may replace Stackoverflow for him, which is quite something to say. ChatGPT is offered by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research and deployment company. You see the starting page here, and Microsoft is one of its investors, and ChatGPT is, one of its products. So the test that I want to put it today is admittedly a very tough task for any artificial intelligence system. I want to test its sense of humor. The jokes are not mine, they are taken from a current trend called dad jokes, and they require a good understanding of the English language. So you see the starting page here of ChatGPT. I created a free account and I'm logged in and I can start now. So the first one is I want to know which of the following two paragraphs is funnier. Let's see. It's a pun. My wife is fed up with me for always mixing up my directions, so I packed up and write. And I ask the system to compare that to the second version, which I don't find as funny, so I packed up and left. So let's see what the system has to say. It starts by saying the second paragraph is funnier, which I don't agree with. The words right and left are mixed up in the first, so that's a correct interpretation. In the second paragraph, the speaker's mistake leads to humorous outcomes. So, okay, it understands some of it. That's interesting, but I would still not agree that the second paragraph is funnier. I see it the opposite way. But it's interesting. I've tried it before and I get different answers when I try it. So the system seems to be learning, and it may be very interesting to come back to this in a while. So the second one, I'm just asking plainly out if this paragraph is funny. And the joke is like this. I asked my wife when her birthday was. She said March 1st. So I walked around the room and asked her again. Let's see what it has to say about this. So it might be considered humorous. There's a punchline, the system says, but it says it plays on the idea of the speaker being forgetful or absent-minded. I don't agree. The punchline comes when the speaker asks again, even though they were just told the answer. And then a general paragraph, humor is subjective and different people will find different things funny. Okay, so I agree, but I think the key is the double meaning of March 1st. So I would say it has not captured that. We'll do one more for the short video. I'm just asking plain out if the system sees humor in the following paragraph. So let's see. I wanted to buy a big couch, so I went to a furniture store. The salesperson recommended a sofa, saying it could easily fit 5 people without any problems. So I asked where on earth I was supposed to find 5 people without any problems. So admittedly a tough task to see the humor here. The punchline plays on the idea of the speaker being sarcastic or poking fun at the salesperson's suggestion. The punchline comes when the speaker asks where they are supposed to find 5 people without any problems, implying that the speaker thinks this is a difficult or unlikely task. So I'd say it's close, but I suspect that the key to the joke was not caught by the system, because it's what without any problems refers to. Fitting on the couch or being people without having any problems. So I'd say the key of the joke has not been captured. Right, that's it for this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it will be interesting to watch how this developed. This is admittedly a very tough task, and I do not apply at all to say that this is a bad tool or that it's not powerful. I've seen, as I said, great things done by it already, and I'm really keen to see what impact it will have in the upcoming weeks and months and years. So stay tuned. All the best for your projects. See you next time. Ciao. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. All the best. See you next time. Ciao.